Hey YouTube, what is up? Welcome back to the last day in the NAIL-O-WEEN series. Today is Halloween. Happy Halloween to everybody. I hope you're all gonna go out trick-or-treating or to a party or somewhere and have fun and eat candy, but check your candy first. This one is a super cute hand-painted, I'm calling it the trick-or-treat candy corn. Trick-or-treat candy corn. Just a little candy corn hand-painted it's super cute. I saw a rendition of this. I think I have the screenshot. I'll insert, and that's what this design is based off of. So without further ado, let's just get into it. All right, so I have white with some base coat over it. For some reason, my white was not tacky enough. So I'm going to go around the border using 3 different pigments, red, orange, and yellow, using my NSI HD 3D brush to push that into the base coat. And I'm just making a little pattern like red, orange, yellow, red, orange, yellow. Remember, pat it in, don't rub it in or it looks funny. Now we're going in with the yellow. Vinny sounds like a guinea pig today, and I don't know why. Yeah, so this design is definitely inspired by the candy corn. It's not 100% the same, so yeah. So I'm using the brush to kind of brush those colors sort of like inwards, and I'm going to use a little bit of foil glue and just do a couple little splashes here and there, just to kind of add a little something something. And I'll be using black, white, yellow, orange, and purple in the rest of this design. And I'm just opening these up, waiting for my glue to dry, having them ready. And I'm using some gold holo foil. And on all those little areas that I put the glue, I'm just pushing the foil. I'm not looking for, like, you know, full coverage or anything. Just looking for little splashes of foil here and there. So I matte top coated that because I want to be able to sort of mark out my little candy corn dude. And then with the white, I'm going to do the candy corn dude's body and also the little witch hat that he's wearing, or she, I don't know. It's got a purple stripe, maybe it's a she. We'll just call him Candy Corn Dude. So I'm blocking that off and then doing the little hat there, just like this. I find that when you block stuff off like that, it makes it easier and it makes everything more intense. So now I'm going to take the orange first, and I'm going to do the bottom of the candy corn, just like these, and fill that in, just like these. And then I'm also going to do the little purple stripe on the witchy hat, like the band on the hat, and then I'm going to cure that. And you can see Vinny was helping me. And I'm going to do the middle part of the candy corn and paint that yellow, just like this. And I'm going to wipe my brush and do the black on the witch hat. And I'm going to extend the brim a little further because I didn't like how tiny it was. After I do the point, just like that. And then I'm also going to, so I flash cured that, and now I'm going to outline my little candy corn guy. And I'm gonna give him arms and legs and a little smiley face. And I will cure it again. And then I'm going to handwrite trick or treat and then I will top coat everything and it will be good to go. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed the 31 days of NAIL-O-WEEN. I hope you guys are all having a great holiday. I have some beautiful stuff coming into November. Waiting for you guys. Yes, a lot of black, white, and red for Remembrance Day here in Canada on the 11th. So, yes, I hope you guys all have a safe and happy Halloween. So, yes, stay jazzy.